Today we're doing 3 plus 1, parentheses, 9 plus 2. Starting with the parentheses, we're going to do the 9 plus 2 first. And we're getting 3 plus 1, parentheses, 11. Now, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 4 times 11, and that's going to be 44. But that's not correct. If that's what you got, we didn't follow the order of operations. So let's review that. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide in order from left to right. Add and subtract also in order from left to right as they appear in the problem. So let's redo this one. All right, we'll still start with the 9 plus 2 inside the parentheses. We got 3 plus 1, and 9 plus 2 is still 11. But now, instead of adding 3 plus 1, we have to do this multiplication right here. This is 1 times 11. So we end up with 3 plus 11, and that's 14. That's the correct answer.